Hello, today we're going to do one fun project. We're going to build a tool using Power Query to detect a repeat song on a live updated list of radio songs. Have you heard of this contest? CHFI Radio 25,000 no repeat guarantee. If you haven't, no worries, I'll explain. CHFI Radio claims that they don't repeat songs during work hours, but for the purpose of this competition during this summer, they purposely play the same song twice between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. And if you caught them doing it, and if you managed to call them as caller number 16, you could win some prizes and have a chance to play for the grand prize at the end of the competition. So how can you use Excel to help you detect the repeat songs without even listening to the radio all day long? Power Query to the rescue. We know we can listen to the radio online, and they most likely list the songs that have been played today. I found a site like this where I can listen to CHFI, and if I click here, I'm able to see the radio and listen to the radio, but also I can see the list of songs. So if I click the arrow, I get 100 list of songs here, 100 songs that have been played in the past how many hours. So we can use this to download the data directly from the website, and it will update automatically. Now that we copied the URL, let's open Excel and navigate to Data tab and get data from the website. Paste our URL and wait for Excel to make the connection. Once Navigator established the connection, we can look at what Excel is seeing. So this table looks pretty much good to me. We don't need this, so we'll connect to the table and update the data. Right, so now we can see there's an extra column. Let's delete this column. We can do one conditional column to remove any lines that have been before 9 a.m. So let's add this conditional column. Okay, so our column time has to be greater or equal to 9 a.m. and we can say true, otherwise it's false. Okay. Right, and now we can filter on the true, or we can remove the column and add another column from examples. This one will be concatenation of our artist and song name. Okay, so we create a unique value, unique column, artist plus song. Now we are ready with our cleanup. We can navigate to home and load our data to a spreadsheet. Okay, so you can see our artist and song started from 9 a.m. We can add a conditional formatting to the 3 columns, highlight them if there is a duplicate value. Okay, And if the duplicate value shows in column D, then we know that we have a duplicate of artist and song within this time frame. One more thing we need to do to make this more automated is adding the refresh time. So once we are here, we can check the refresh and update the properties. So it is selected enable background refresh, but we need to give some timing. So I would suggest 2 minutes, and it will refresh every 2 minutes for you, and will add any new songs. Instead of you going there and manually pressing, it will refresh and add the new songs going on. And until 9 o'clock, 5 o'clock, you will get your list of songs that have been played during the day. So every 2 minutes, the table will be refreshed. You can see here we have 11:22 was last refresh. If we wait a little bit more, you will see that it will refreshes, and it will refresh during the day until 5 p.m. You'll be able to see the list. Here we see the refreshing happening. To illustrate how the tool works, we're going to update the source to another radio that actually repeats songs throughout the day, and this will be Kiss 925. So I've updated here in the Power Query, and we'll load the list. And now we can see, for example, this 11 o'clock, we have a repeat of Alex Warner that was played earlier. You can always filter your column by color, so you will only see the repeat. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this project. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave some comments below. Thank you for watching.